Here is how to add a countdown timer in your Instagram stories. So first you need to launch your Instagram application and log into your specific account and try starting a new story. Tap on the plus icon in your story in the top left corner of your screen and select a specific media that you want to upload. After selecting your media, tap on the sticker icon at the top right of the screen. Go ahead and select it. And now from the stickers, find and tap on the countdown option. Go ahead and select it. Now you can give your countdown a name such as birthday party or anniversary or anything that you prefer. Then choose a desired date and time for your countdown to end. Then tap on your story option to add it to your story and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.